Our universe is vast. We look up at the night sky, a sea of twinkling stars, and we wonder, does it ever end? This question, simple yet profound, has captivated thinkers for millennia. Imagine traveling along a straight line, forever. You never reach a stopping point. You never turn around. This is the essence of infinity, a boundless expanse that defies our finite minds. It's a journey without end, a concept that stretches the limits of our imagination. Our human brains are wired to deal with the finite, with things we can count and measure. But infinity is different. It's not a number, not something we can easily grasp. Join me now as we venture into the realm of the infinite.
The word infinity likely conjures up images of vastness, an endless desert, a star-filled sky, the ever-ticking clock of time. Infinity, in its purest form, isn't about size or quantity. It's about the absence of an end. It's the concept that no matter how far you go, how much you count, you can always go further, count higher. Think of a simple number line. It stretches endlessly in both directions, representing all possible numbers. No matter how large a number you choose, there's always a bigger one, just a step away. To truly understand infinity, we need to shift our perspective. It's a concept that challenges our intuition, forcing us to think beyond the boundaries of our everyday experience.
While infinity may seem like a concept reserved for mathematicians and philosophers, it actually pops up in surprising places in our everyday lives. Take the example of a mirror reflecting another mirror. The reflections seem to stretch on forever, creating an illusion of infinite depth. Another example lies in the repeating decimal. Divide 1 by 3 and you get 0.3333. The threes go on forever, a simple demonstration of infinity at work. Even the simple act of counting embodies the spirit of infinity. We can count as high as we like, always adding one more, and we'll never reach a final number. This unending sequence, the ability to always take one more step, lies at the heart of the infinite.
When we try to apply the familiar rules of arithmetic to infinity, things get a little strange. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, these operations take on a whole new meaning in the realm of the infinite. Let's start with addition. What happens when you add 1 to infinity? Intuitively, you might think you get a bigger infinity, but here's the catch. Infinity doesn't work like that. Infinity plus 1 is still infinity. It's like trying to add a drop of water to an ocean. The ocean's size remains effectively unchanged. Multiplying infinity by a positive number still gives you infinity, while dividing a finite number by infinity results in 0. But be warned, not all arithmetic operations with infinity are well defined. Infinity minus infinity or infinity divided by infinity are considered indeterminate forms.
Section 5. Paradoxes of Infinity, Mind-Bending Puzzles. The concept of infinity has puzzled thinkers for centuries, leading to a plethora of mind-bending paradoxes that challenge our intuition and understanding of logic. One famous example is Zeno's paradox of Achilles and the tortoise. In this classic thought experiment, the swift Achilles races against a tortoise with a head start. Zeno argues that Achilles can never overtake the tortoise because to do so, he must first reach the point where the tortoise was, by which time the tortoise will have moved slightly ahead. This process repeats infinitely, with Achilles always closing the gap but never quite catching up. Another intriguing paradox is Hilbert's Hotel, named after mathematician David Hilbert. Imagine a hotel with infinitely many rooms, all of which are occupied. A new guest arrives wanting a room. The hotel can accommodate the guest by simply shifting every current guest to the next room. These paradoxes highlight the importance of careful and rigorous thinking when dealing with the concept of infinity.
Section 6. The Infinite Toolkit. Calculus and Set Theory. While infinity might seem like a concept best left to philosophical debates, it plays a crucial role in various branches of mathematics, particularly in calculus and set theory. Calculus, the mathematics of change and motion, relies heavily on the concept of infinity. Consider the concept of a limit. In calculus, we often want to understand the behavior of a function as its input approaches a certain value, including infinity. For example, what happens to the value of 1 over x as x gets larger and larger, approaching infinity? The answer is that 1 over x gets closer and closer to 0. Set theory, the branch of mathematics that deals with collections of objects, also grapples with the concept of infinity. These examples illustrate how mathematicians have developed sophisticated tools and frameworks to work with the concept of infinity.
Section 7. The enduring allure of infinity. Infinity, with its boundless nature and mind-bending paradoxes, continues to captivate and inspire thinkers across various disciplines. Its allure lies not only in its mathematical significance, but also in its philosophical and even spiritual implications. In art and literature, infinity often serves as a metaphor for the vastness of the universe, the endless possibilities of the human spirit, or the eternal nature of love and loss. Artists throughout history have attempted to capture the essence of infinity in their works, using techniques like perspective, repetition, and recursion to create illusions of endlessness. Philosophers have grappled with the concept of infinity for millennia, pondering its implications for the nature of reality, consciousness, and the divine. Some see infinity as a symbol of the incomprehensible nature of the universe, while others view it as a testament to the boundless potential of the human mind. Even in our daily lives, the concept of infinity holds a certain fascination.
Section 8. Conclusion. Infinity's enduring enigma. Infinity, a concept that has captivated thinkers for millennia, continues to challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Despite its elusive nature, infinity plays a crucial role in our understanding of mathematics, physics, philosophy, and even art. It provides us with powerful tools to explore the limits of our knowledge and to push the boundaries of human comprehension. It is a concept that reminds us of the vastness of the unknown and the boundless potential of the human mind to explore the infinite wonders that surround us.